And dominate. Another 4 games are in the books, so let's check out how the teams are stacked up. And first, once again, it's LMQ.
And tied for second, we now have Cloud9 and TSM, with CLG dropping to 4th place.
Yeah.
And 1 game back in 5th, it is Dignitas.
And after that, it's Curse in 6th, followed by Complexity in 7th, and Evil Geniuses in last. We will be back tomorrow with another full day of matches, starting with Evil Geniuses versus Curse.
And then Cloud9 will take on LMQ, followed by TSM facing off against CLG. That is a big game.
That is. Then Dignitas will battle it out with Complexity, but keep it tuned right here for more of the North American Challenger Series. We'll be bringing you a best-of-3 semifinal between Low Pro and Cursed Academy. Now, as we pass the baton to Freak and Zyrene for tonight's Challenger Series coverage, let's take one last look back at some of today's highlights. Welcome to Week 10 of the North American League Championship Series Summer Split.
Time to feast. Go, come on. Time to feast. Go, come on. Time to feed.
So make sure you get what you want, you load it.
There's the Blade of the Rune King. He still has to use it. Kez gets taken down immediately. Vasily with the fast fingers and help his teammates on that.
Snap back to reality. Out there goes gravity.
Out there goes gravity. Chunks is so mad, but he won't give up that easy.
He'll cripple. Okay, kite. Help turtle. He knocks. Helios. Get away. Nice.
Oh boy, let's get our game on.
Dragon getting burned down, but they're so low. High's very low. Shockwave doesn't go off. It gets canceled out in the channel. That's a double kill coming in for Shifter from the outside of the fight. There it is. He gets the ball. It's going to be a Shockwave. Goes in. Expressor gets hit up. His Zanyas goes down immediately. Cop with a very nice Valkyrie out of the fight, but his focus now onto Seraph. Takes down Seraph. A great polymorph going on to Dexus.